In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix stuck on connecting screen on Fortnite on my PS5. So the first thing you can do is to just select Fortnite here on your PS5, and then you're going to click on this button right here. You can see this one on your PS5 controller. Then you have to click on check for update. Sometimes there's going to be an update in here that you need to get. Can sometimes take a while for it to load. Here you can see it says please wait. You can see there is actually an update, so I'm just going to click right here, go to downloads and update. You can see it's currently actually updating for me. So sometimes this alone can fix this issue completely for you, just so you know. Another thing you should do as well is to go into settings here up top, and then you're going to click on network right here, and then click on settings, and then set up internet connection here, as you can see. So now on your Wi-Fi right here, the one that you're connected to, once again click on this button right here on your PS5 controller, click on advanced settings. Scroll down and change your DNS settings from automatic to manual here. Primary DNS, I set it to 1.1.1.1, secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Then just click on OK in the bottom right corner. You might now wonder what will happen. This can sometimes fix some Wi-Fi issues. It's not a guarantee, but it's a really good thing to do. It might actually fix a lot of the DNS errors that you might get from different Wi-Fi games games that require Wi-Fi, I meant. And it can also sometimes, in some cases, speed up your Wi-Fi. No guarantee though, unfortunately, but it can happen. And yeah, now just simply wait for the update to finish if you do have one. And hopefully that will be able to fix it for you as well.